Ever scrolled through social media and felt that pang of "I should be investing"? You're not alone. The financial world can seem intimidating, but with the rise of online brokerages, taking control of your future is more accessible than ever. Today, we're diving into Questrade, a popular platform in Canada, but the question is, how much money do you actually need to get started? Now, investing isn't a one-size-fits-all game. Your goals, risk tolerance, and investment style all play a role. But before you download the app and throw down a random amount, let's unpack the nitty-gritty of Questrade. First, there's no account maintenance fee, which is a big plus. However, there are commissions to consider every time you buy or sell a security. These can vary depending on the type of investment, stocks, ETFs, and the exchange you're trading on. Alright, the suspense is killing you. Here's the deal, Questrade does have a minimum deposit requirement, and it's $1,000 Canadian dollars. That means you'll need to transfer at least this amount to open your account and start investing. Hold on a second, because minimums don't tell the whole story. The $1,000 is a good starting point, but it really depends on your investment goals. Here's why. Small-time investor? This is where things get interesting. Questrade offers fractional shares for US-listed stocks and ETFs. Basically, you can buy a portion of a share, even if the whole thing costs way more than your initial $1,000. This allows you to diversify your portfolio with smaller amounts, which is fantastic for beginners who want to test the waters. Going big? If you're ready to dive deeper, $1,000 might not be enough. Remember, diversification is key. You'll want to spread your money across different assets to minimize risk. This often means buying multiple stocks or ETFs, which can quickly eat into your initial deposit. Let's take a detour and talk about investment styles. Are you a passive investor who wants a set-it-and-forget-it approach? Or are you a more active trader who enjoys researching and making frequent buys and sells? Passive investing. If you prefer a hands-off approach, consider investing in low-cost, broad-market ETFs. These track entire indexes, offering instant diversification without the need to pick individual stocks. $1,000 can get you started with a few fractional shares of ETFs, allowing you to participate in the market growth over time. Active trading. This requires more capital. Frequent buying and selling means racking up commission fees, so a larger initial deposit is crucial. Think of it like having more ammo for your trading war chest. So, how much money do you actually need in Questrade? It depends. There's no magic number. The $1,000 minimum is a starting point, but consider your goals, investment style, and risk tolerance. Don't feel pressured to dump your entire life savings into the market right away. Start small with $1,000, learn the ropes, and gradually increase your investment as you gain confidence. Remember, consistency is key. Contributing smaller amounts regularly can be a powerful strategy in the long run. This video is just a jumping-off point. Before you invest any money, do your own research. Understand the risks involved, choose investments that align with your goals, and never invest what you can't afford to lose. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy investing.